Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I will talk about EOS dApps. Also, I will touch on Bitcoin as well. So just in case you're new to the channel, just to remind everybody that CAT EOS is having an airdrop on December 20th. Snapshot will be December 1st. So make sure you transfer your EOS out of the exchange to your EOS account. Also, BetDice is giving out dividends, so you can log in with your Scattered wallet and claim your dividends here. And if you're interested, you can click the link below. Also, CKS is giving out some token. You have to log in with your Scattered wallet and claim your CKS token here. And BetDice is having a lucky draw every day. So make sure you do lucky draw every day so don't miss out this free EOS. So it's free basically. Also, you can stake your token to earn additional payout. Also, you can go to my balance to claim your payout. So once you claim the balance, claim the payout, the token will automatically go to your EOS account. If you're interested, you can click the link below as well. Also, for the last 24 hours, they have a very high volume for EOS Poker. So you can check it out as well. And also EOSBET, they have last 24 hours, there's a lot of high volume. You can check it out as well. They also have a lucky draw. So you can click the link below and check it out. And before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop giveaway half or ICO. Also, you can follow me on Twitter as well. So let's talk about Bitcoin quickly. Bitcoin today, I think is very oversold right now. I'm not surprised there will be a little bit rebound. Maybe not just a little bit, maybe some rebound. And if you look at the chart, let's see. If you put this next to, oops, where are we now? So if you put this chart side by side, I have been talking about this psychology of Wall Street psychology of a market cycle for quite some time. And if you compare the two, you can find out which market cycle are we at right now. Are we in denial stage or panic, capitulation, anger, or depression? So please comment below what do you think, which stage are we at right now. So if you can spot the stage, where are we at right now, you are in a better position than the mass. You don't want to be the sheep. You want to be ahead of the game. So let me know what you think about the market cycle of Bitcoin. Please comment below. And let's look at so right now you can see, let's look at Bitcoin first. So the Bitcoin USD short position is not that high right now, but it can change anytime. You can see Ethereum USD short position has been building up. Watch out for this. They right now, I don't see any big reason to pump, but you never know. So right now, Ethereum, they may pump it, but this is not a financial advice. Use your due diligence. But you can see this is building up, keep on building up. And also you can go to the Whale wallet, Whale watch. So basically you have like over 1,000 Bitcoin transferred from Bitfinex to an unknown wallet, and also you have 500,000 Tether transferred from unknown wallet to Binance, and you have over 1,600 Bitcoin transferred from Bitfinex to an unknown wallet, and you have 25,000 Ethereum transferred from Gemini to an unknown wallet, and 958 Bitcoin transferred from unknown wallet to Bitfinex, over 999,000 Tether, almost 1 billion transferred from unknown wallet to Binance. See, this is Tether, so they probably have some type of manipulation. And then over 1,000 Bitcoin transferred from unknown wallet to Bitfinex, and then over 999,000 Tether transferred from unknown wallet to Binance, over 999,000 Tether transferred from Bittrex to an unknown wallet. So this is almost 1 billion. 25,000 Ethereum from Gemini to unknown wallet, and 1 million Tether transferred from unknown wallet to Binance. So you can check it out. And also you can go to the BitMEX liquidation bots liquidating short on the Ripple, they buy Ripple, liquidating short on Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin, liquidating long on Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin, sell. So just check it out. So so make sure you watch out the Ethereum USD short. It has been building up. If they build up so high, if they keep on building up, they may need to pump to kill the short position. So let's get into EOS quickly. So I'm using a Brave browser right now, which is better because it blocks out all the advertising and all that. And sometimes it slows down my computer. My computer sometimes got overheat because of those stupid ads and driving me crazy driving the computer crazy at the background and all that. So if you're interested, you can install Brave browser. You can click the link below. That will help your channel as well. So let's talk about EOS dApps. So this is Infiniverse. Infiniverse. This is basically is augmented reality on the EOS platform. You can create anything you can imagine, and you can start a business and earn infinite coin on the platform. So I talked about that briefly in the other video. Let's watch the video quickly.
Infiniverse, the world's digital layer. Join now and be the first to find undiscovered land, buy land, and augment it with your own creations. Anything you can imagine. Connect with other players. Share your collections. And trade your digital assets. Start a business and earn Infinicoin. What kind of world will you create? Infiniverse,
So this is basically an augmented reality on EOS platform. Basically, you can create anything on the platform, and you can create and buy and sell AR content, and also you can buy land, the digital layer of the real world locations. And also you can trade the land and digital asset to the marketplace using the Infinicoin, and the blockchain will give you full control and security on your land or your asset. And you can also earn infinite coin. You can trade your digital asset, rent and sell your land, or you can place premium content on your land. Also, you can do jobs for others to earn the infinite coin. So basically, as a content creator, you can design and emulate the 3D models. Also, you can build interactive AR experiences and apps. And you can also list your creation on the marketplace. As for the content owners, you can create content or get it from the marketplace. Persistent content is basically you can buy or sell, buy or rent the land and paste object persistently. I will get into that later on. This two terms is a little bit different from some other place. So I'll get into that. So attached content, you can have your objects follow you around the world. So this project, the advisor is from Samsung Next, and let's talk about the team. Where's the team member? So we have Nobos, I don't know how to pronounce his name, Nobosha or something. And okay, he's the CEO and founder and at the Infiniverse. In 2 years, he worked as but this is probably his own company, augmented reality consultant and software engineer. And this is a augmented virtual reality technology, software engineer for 2 years. Also on augmented reality as well. Graduate from University of Sydney, background in computer science, and so this guy in the Amsterdam area, Netherlands, and he's the CEO, and the other guy is the lead, is the development lead. So let's get to this guy. So this guy is a lead engineer, software engineer for 1 year, augmented reality, virtual reality, computer graphics, data visualization, mobile development. For 3 years, he worked in computer design and art. So for 7 months, he's a mobile app developer in Apple. Mobile app developer 1 year. This is in New York City. And also, this is work on Virgin American iOS. Software engineer for 4 years, lead iOS developer on the top 11 iOS, and then 3D developer. So 1 year's, okay, those are intern. So background is in computer science, University of Belgrade, and 2000 he's a faculty. He's a faculty of electrical engineer. So for 8 years he is a faculty. So the team looks pretty decent, but the team is kind of small, but it's pretty decent team. Advisor, they have professor of computer science at Columbia U. He direct computer graphics and user interface lab, and also researching augmented reality for 20 years. And then you have another professor of media at Indiana University, PhD in economics from University of Wisconsin-Madison. So this is economic advisor, so specialized in study of the virtual world economy. And Leo Chang is a startup advisor, principal at Samsung Next, San Francisco area, serve as investor, mentor, and okay. So the team is really decent, I think, for this project, but hopefully they have a bigger team to do the work. So let's talk about, let's go to FAQ quickly. So we talk about this is a augmented reality platform, and you can that's allow user to bring digital content into the real world and all that thing. You can also interact with other user as well. And so what's the difference between virtual reality and augmented reality? Virtual reality basically you completely immerse you into a digital world, cutting you off from your real world surroundings. But this is a little bit different because augmented reality allows you to interact with the digital content and also connected to the real world and the people around you. So virtual reality, you're basically by yourself, but augmented reality, you interact with another person around the world. And by using your smartphone and all that. So what problem does Infiniverse try to solve? They basically want to solve the problem by creating a digital land registry for the real-world location and a platform to combine the entire world digital space into a single persistent interactive virtual world. And also, let's see. So basically, what's the benefit using blockchain? I mean, this is important because you want to recording those transactions, or if you buy land or renting out land on the virtual economy, you want to be registered on the blockchain in case the platform go out of business. Your stuff still on the blockchain, right? So this is basically allow user to retain full control, ownership, and security of the platform. And so why does Infiniverse on EOS blockchain? Because the transaction is free, and then the transaction is fast, and because with Ethereum, with CryptoKitty, it make the networks slow down dramatically. Also, Ethereum has a transaction fee when you make a transactions, but the thing is, EOS, you also have to put up some RAM on your own and also utilize your CPU power as well, isn't it? And what platform does Infiniverse support? It will be in iOS and the Android phone. And you can download those things in Google Play or iOS App Store in Q4. So it's not yet ready yet, but Q4 right now is already Q4. So probably next month or this month. So let's talk about attached and persistent content. Attached content is an asset that follows you in the world. And on the other hand, persistent content stay in a fixed location. For example, this is land, and attached content, probably a virtual pet. You can bring it with you around the world. And purpose of the land in Infiniverse. Land basically represents a digital space of a real-world location. So it allows you to paste a persistent content in the location. And also, how do I buy land? You have to use an infinite coin to buy land, and then you have to register for yearly free. So you have to pay a yearly fee for the land, must be registered for a yearly fee, and also you have to register. This is just basically similar to how your domain name registration, you have to pay the domain name every year as well. So, and also, let's see. You can also rent out land as well. So you can rent out land, and then so the infinite coin is basically a token, is a stable coin, is a utility token that you have to use infinite coin in the economy, in the ecosystem. So that is required to register land and then make transactions using the infinite coin. They're going to have airdrops coming up for EOS token holder in Q4, so stay tuned. And how do you profit from holding infinite coin? Basically, you can sell your digital asset or rent out your land or to earn income. You earn passive income. Also, you can provide some do some jobs for others. Then you can earn some infinite coin. So basically, this is talk about selling digital asset on the marketplace, renting or selling your land, pasting premium content on your land, doing jobs for others. Then you can earn the infinite token, infinite coin. The supply is not fixed, so there's inflation. So depending on how much inflation, so that this is not fixed. So this has an inflation, so you have to take that into consideration. So the company is incorporated in Delaware in the US. Relationship with Samsung, basically Infiniverse and Samsung Next, they do a collaboration on February 28, 2018, which is this year. So they work directly with Samsung for 3 months, helping them build the AR cloud product. So Infiniverse received $50,000 from Samsung Next for the efforts. Basically, they got paid $50,000 to do AR cloud services, cloud product. And also for the perpetual license for the Wear. And they continue to maintain close relationship with Samsung Next. And then Leo Chen is the advisor is the advisor for Infiniverse. Let's go to the white paper quickly. So this will be the architecture for the ecosystem. So they have different layers. Data layer, you have the blockchain on the ledger. You have the recording all this transaction and all that. And then you have user experience, asset management, and AR viewer. This is an interface that can be installed in your iPhone and Android phone. And then you can do the land transactions and all that, or get some virtual pets, whatever. And this is a real-time server, and go through the IPFS. So, so the ownership ledger is made of smart contract running on the EOS platform, and then keep track of the ownership of the infinite coin, land, and asset. So let's talk about the attached content quickly. So attached content we talked about earlier, that is the content a user can carry around with them. This is like a virtual pet. So another user can also come to the can also see the attached content unless you set it private. If they are from the same geographic location, they can see the attached content. As soon as the user quits the application, for example, you close that augmented reality application on your cell phone, all this attached content will leave the world along with them, and that is interesting. So after you close your application, all this virtual content will be disappear from the application. I mean, will be how can I say? So after you close the program, all the content will leave the world. So this is interesting. So that means they want you to go back all the time, I guess, to be on the apps, right, all the time, to be in the game. Persistent content must be based on persistent content, basically just like land, is occur on the same location. It stay in the same location, no matter where the owner is, whether they are currently running the application. Even though they don't run the application, they still in the same location. And persistent content may be free or maybe free for other users to interact, but also maybe a premium content need to be unlocked with using their infinite coin. So this will be an interesting project. I think this is pretty interesting how it plays out. I think this is better than virtual reality. Virtual reality is basically you are all by yourself just doing virtual reality, right? But right now, augmented reality, you're going to interact with another user in similar geographic location and all that. So that will be an interesting project to watch out for. Let me know what you think about this Infiniverse augmented reality project. And please comment below. And if you find this video helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop, token swap, half or ICO. Also, you can follow me on Twitter as well. So make sure if you find helpful, smash the like, subscribe, comment. That will help out my ranking in YouTube. Also, if you have already subscribed, make sure you hit the notification button so the latest video they will send you the alert for the latest video, so you don't want to miss out any airdrop, token swap, or giveaway. Remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in ICO or cryptocurrency has inherent risk. Please use your due diligence.